So we just finished supporting this shear crack that you can see on this lead of this northern red oak. We came by the other day and noticed that this shear crack had opened quite a bit. So on this gusty day, we decided to come out and we have done some end weight reduction pruning out on the end of this lead. We've put in one static steel cable, and now we've supported this crack with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 brace rods. And we've been able to close it, I would say probably 3/4 of an inch to an inch. So not quite all the way closed, but that would be asking a lot out of the wood fiber and the wood cells underneath the washers. So would I expect the crack to fully compartmentalize? No, because there is a gap between both the compression side and the tension side. We've got this shear plane crack here in the middle between those two. You will not get a complete compartmentalization, but ideally, if this tree is healthy, which I believe it is, you'll get a good amount of response growth on either side of the crack here. Whether that will totally close near the bottom or the top of the crack, perhaps, but right in the middle, I'm not so sure. So how much risk did we reduce by performing this work today? Specifically for this lead, I would argue quite a bit. It's hard to argue with Mother Nature and some wild storms, but this certainly has reinforced this shear crack here. Couple that with the end weight reduction pruning and the cable up top. This is just about everything in the book that we can do to reinforce this lead to make sure that it doesn't have a horrendous failure in the future and that it will help benefit the tree for years to come.
Awesome. Get your home. Thank you, man. Yep.